How to fix Telegram login problems. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. Search for Telegram. After that, if you find update option instead of open, simply update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some problem in the login. And after you've updated and you're still facing the issue, simply restart your device. After restarting, try to log into your account again and it will solve your problem. If it still does not fix your problem, go to File Manager and then try to free up space. Sometimes not having enough storage may cause this login problem as well. If it still does not fix your problem, hold on to the Telegram app on your home screen. Then click on App Info. In App Info, click on Permissions, which is the second option. Allow permissions to all the options. After you have done that, you're good to go. This is how to fix Telegram login problems. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.